Hello, my friends. I think that the question is, how can I get an order form, an OTO, and then get to an application form? And by default, ClickFunnels have built-in functionality that it passes information from one form to another one. There's built-in details that can help you accomplish that. But on the checkout element, these buttons have specific functionality. So I think that the question was in the OTOs, we're going to see, can I make it do something else, like pop something else and then go through it? That will actually stop the process. So the idea is that you actually get the person to purchase your OTO and then fill out the application form or whatever you're doing. So in this case, I'm gonna go here, demo. Okay, so now here we will process an OTO, and this is what the idea or the question that was being asked in the group. Can, when you click in here, open a pop-up? This button, because an OTO is not a regular button, you want it to automatically purchase this. We want to go from there. And if you see, the information that I put in the first form now appear automatically in here, no code, nothing extra, built in. And if you see, this last one is a drop down form. So I was able to put 3 things, which one is my favorite. Then as soon as I submit, then I can take any other action. So in this case, this is going to redirect to my YouTube channel. So there you have it. That's the simplest and easiest way to actually capture the information and submit it to your application form. We'll see you on our next video.